your boy Egungun of Lagos. I'm going live in Lagos, Nigeria, and I'm live with
TJ Chicken Areke banana.
Hey, how you doing?
Yeah, I'm cool, bro.
How's life?
That was fine, bro.
Is life fair to you?
It's not fair like that. No, work will do better than you.
Why do they beat you every day? What do you do?
No, bro. I should boss up, bro.
Are you a boxer?
No, they are buy this also expensive car.
Yes.
They're jealous. Nigeria, you say my baba no be babalawo, they don't buy me too.
Okay, that is a babalawo.
Mama is about this. I'll be king now.
Oh, yeah, go for me, Yami.
Now come back. Come back.
What car is this?
I bought this one from 7 million. This is my number 12 car. What am I for this Lekki?
A lot of people say you're not living in Lekki, that you're living in Mowe Bafo. You're living on this place.
I get house everywhere.
This place is a 4-bedroom.
About me, get one room for you. If you want to carry your baby, come.
I can come here. So how much do you buy this property?
250 million, sha.
So how you take make money to buy this house?
Baba me na Monica.
Monica.
Now one of my guys introduced me to that app.
Okay.
Monica Cash. If they transfer BTC, they help me to Naira.
Okay, if they send BTC, change to Naira immediately.
I'll buy anything.
So guys, welcome to DJ Chicken Mansion, a 4-bedroom.
Monica, go bless them.
Amen. Who is she?
One of my olori now.
Please come here. Can you turn around? Can you jump up? Jump up. Hey, you like? What's this again?
Second wife now.
You have 2 wives. Kiss him. Kiss him. Jesus Christ, if you shop for you, kiss him.
Hey, but me, he wants me. But yeah, 3 days, I never fuck them. They beg me. They don't know.
Can we see the first room? Come, please come. Why is he leaking?
They will do everything. It's a new house now.
Why you buy house where they leak?
Oh no.
I don't like what this guy. Why you buy house where they leak?
I'm not supposed to bring. I want to just get for them.
So who gave you the idea of this interior?
Interior? Baba me, na my job they do everything. Me I just press money in Kodofa.
Oh, yeah!
Community everywhere, Miami.
Yes, you do.
I kept everything for us now, Miami.
Ṣé mo lè máa mílẹ̀ lọ?
Only run here. Yeah, when my follow in, follow you.
Because she's the owner of my glory. So guys, welcome to.
I never do here. That's so small.
A lot of watches. What is your watch now, original?
I mean, I'm going to use Spanner for your face. Oh, yeah, this one is for 40 million. You call it Katia Ice.
G-Shock.
How much is this?
It's worth 300,000.
No, it's Baba. This one is 1.7 million. This is the G-Shock.
How much is this?
5.5. Yeah,
Wow. So Yaje lele. He's the owner of my glow. Monica ló fà. Monica ni.
God bless Monica. Ìgbà yóò tẹ́lẹ̀ bí tọkúrú. Bàbá mi láwo orí ọtí gbàgbé. Ọ tẹ́lẹ̀ bí gbẹ. Ní wádẹ̀ ọmọ yá mi. Ní wádẹ̀ orí òní tiẹ̀. Inú mi tiẹ̀ dùn. Ó tọ́jú ìyàwó rẹ̀. Mo sọ fún báyìí mo ní pé kó dì í mú. Ẹlẹ́gbẹ́ ọmọ ni o. Wá ní tọ́jú ẹ̀.
Ok, ẹlẹ́gbẹ́ ni.
Ok, kò ṣe ẹlẹ́gbẹ́ ọmọ. Ọmọ mi ni ọfẹ́.
Ok, àjẹ́ ni.
Ọmọ mi lọ́fẹ́ náà.
How much is the highest money DJ Chicken has given to you?
Oh, like 300k, 400k upward.
Oh, we must shoot DJ Chicken. You're trying to. How much is the highest money DJ Chicken has given to you?
400 upward.
Why are you in love with DJ Chicken? Can you do anything for him?
Yes.
How about you?
Yes.
What